magandang buhay at maraming kayamanan mga kapatid. Ako po ay nag-create ng Tagalog version kasi po ako'y rinecommend ng isang comment ng aking subscriber na sana gumawa ako ng content ng how to be rich in Tagalog version. So if you have seen that content, yung be rich Number 1, ang foundation ko po ay Biblia at saka ito, ang book na to, The Power of Positive Thinking, had been my guru. The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale had been my guru since I was in high school. My brother who is in US sent me this book. Ito po, ang content nito is ganito lang. Pag palagi mong iniisip na makukuha mo yon at hindi mo alam kung paano mo makukuha, all the cells in your body and all your thoughts will be driven for that goal. So, di ba sa English version ko, I said, dapat yung iniisip mo at saka yung nasa puso mo talagang nagfa-fire up. It is burning within you to achieve that goal. At always, yan ang sinasabi ko, hindi mo ma-achieve ang goal na yan kung hindi ka spiritually right, legally right, ethically and morally right. Kasi kahit ano naman ang gusto mo, yumaman ka kaagad, pero illegal naman, di ba? So, the universe will not allow that. At the end of the day, you will fail. So, dapat ang pundasyon, ang 4 na poste mo or pillars must be spiritually correct. Ang goal na yan, legally correct, morally and ethically right. So, mula po ng aking high school, ay gusto ko talagang nasa entablado ako at may mga medal ako. Yun ang una ko because of course I was a child, I don't know. Yan lang munang goal ko. Hanggang ako'y mag-college, yan po ang drive ko. To always pray and think. Balik-balik lang po ang prayer ko because I was a Catholic and then I turned into a different Christian faith. Ako po ay nagro-rosaryo sa gabi palagi at binabalik-balik ko lang yan. Gaya ng chanting na gusto kong maging honor ako, ganyan. Specific dapat ang hinihingi mo sa universe at saka kay God. So ngayon, of course, after graduating, ang gusto mo naman, 'di ba, magkatrabaho ka. O pag nasa trabaho ko naman, gusto mo maging promoted ka. After that, gusto mo marami ka ng pera, 'di ba? So, I always think of this, having a dollar, having a euro on my pocket. So, yan lang po, ganun lang kasimple. And all the skills and competencies that you will build in your lifetime will always be towards that purpose and goal. Kahit po yung maka-acquire ka ng bahay na maganda, kotse, and everything for your children will be acquired or achieved. Wala po, ganun po ang istorya ni Jesus Christ kay Doubting Thomas. You remember, yun ang pinaka-beautiful story about the law of positive thinking. Sabi ng God ni Jesus, lumulubog kasi si Apostle Thomas towards him kasi gusto niyang pumunta kay Jesus na naglalakad sa tubig. And then when he was about to reach Jesus Christ, ayan, palubog na siya. So, kinuha siya ni Jesus Christ, sabi niya, ikaw ba, Tomas, masyado kang nagdududa. Alam mo ba na pag winil mo, if you think that you can move mountains, you can move mountains. Literal naman po, totoo, di ba? Sino bang magsasabi sa atin na kagaya nito, nakikita nyo? Malayo ang kausap po, nakikita mo sa phone. If not for those people who invented and created the thoughts of God, paano ka nakakalipad sa eroplano? Paano namumove ang mountain ngayon sa mga heavy equipment? So, Ganun lang po. Walang masyadong pahirapan ang Diyos na ibinigay sa atin. He just said, as a man thinks, so is He. So kung palagi sa umaga pa lang wala ka ng panalangin, iniisip mo na ang daming bayaran, kulang na naman ang pera. Imagine, you've been bombarding your mind and thoughts. And the people around you, mga buwisit kayo. Wala tayong pera. Imagine that. So hanggang magabi na lang, yan pa rin ang chinachant mo, walang pera, mga buwisit kayo, perwisyo kayo sa buhay, di ba? And I really do not recommend of you watching those negative telenovelas. Napakahirap po. Mag-e-end ka ng day mo na, patayan, di ba? And news, I don't watch news in the morning and in the evening. Even the watching of these contents, kaya medyo pag nagpo-post din ako ng mga news, ang kinukuha ko lang yung mga positive. So, think of the many things that you want to do in your life that is consistent with your skills at ang gusto mo. Halimbawa, hindi ka nakatapos, gusto mong magluto, abay, mag-isip ka na yung restaurant mo lalaki. Ganun lang yun. Meron ako niyan. Buong pamilya nag-start up with a 5,000 pesos way back 1990s. So yung mga anak nila nagra-round sa mga government offices. And then I was able to talk to this person kasi napaka-driven yung family, kahit yung mga grade 5 na mga anak niya kasama sa pagbebenta ng ulam at kanin at kakanin sa afternoon. My God, you wouldn't believe, in 10 months time, naku, meron na silang catering services. So imagine that. I wish I can really influence people kasi hindi naman yan nagbabasa kagaya ng mga binabasa ng mga schooled na tao. So I wish in this content you will be able to finish up to the end. Napakasimple lang. Manalangin ka, hindi ko alam kung anong faith ka, anong religion ka. Keep on chanting and chanting in your mind when you're not doing nothing, or at the end of the day or in the morning, anong gusto mo sa buhay. You want to marry, na happy ka, may pera ang magiging asawa mo, abay, yan ang i-chant mo. Diba? So, your children, you pray over and over and then exemplify good things. So, they will also follow you. Walk the talk. Sana may naintindihan kayo. Please subscribe, comment, and like. I love you guys. Madaling yumaman, pero nasa sayo ang solusyon. Amen to that.